Hello students, as we know, issue of shares is categorized in two parts. First for cash, second for consideration other than cash. Today's topic is a share issue for consideration other than cash, which is second part of the issue of shares. In these situations, there are four conditions. First, on purchase of business. Second, on purchase of assets. Third, on issue of shares promoters to their services. And fourth, issue of shares underwriting commissions. Let's start by an example. Jain Limited purchased a machinery of rupees 6 lakh from Kamal Limited and payment was made by following conditions. Give necessary journal entries in the books of Jain Limited. In this example, we have to find three things. How many conditions? Three things. We have to find in this example three things. First, which book entry will be passed? Here is a Jain Limited. Entry is in the books of Jain Limited. So we make a journal of Jain Limited. And second, which assets we purchased and who is vendor. So the assets is purchased machinery and vendor is Kamal Limited. So entry will be passed machinery account DR to Kamal Limited. Here machinery is come in the business and Kamal Limited is a creditor of company. So creditor is credited and machinery is coming in business according to rule machinery account DR. Amount is 6 lakh. Then we give three options. First option, if shares are issued to 10 each at par. Shares issued at par to Kamal Limited. Kamal Limited account DR, because Kamal Limited received the shares to share capital. How many shares paid to Kamal Limited? The value of share 10 each. The number of shares given to Kamal Limited 6 lakh divided by the value of share 10. So the number of share is 60,000. 60,000 multiplied by 10 is 6 lakh. Second option, if shares are issued of rupees 10 each at 20% premium. Here is at par, here is 20% premium. The condition is changed. So we pass entries machinery account to Kamal Limited, the same entry in above conditions. But second situations is different from second entries. Kamal Limited account DR is same in these entries according to these entries. Kamal Limited account DR 6 lakh and here is Kamal Limited account DR 6 lakh. To share capital in this situation 6 lakh and in this situations to share capital 5 lakh, because the shares issued at premium. The amount 1 lakh. How calculate the amount? So look here. The amount is 6 lakh. Here is number of share. Amount which is payable to Kamal Limited 6 lakh, and the value of share rupees 10, and premium is 20% of 10. Look here, 10 multiplied by 20 upon 100 is equal to rupees 2. 0 cut the 0, and this 0 cut the 0, and 2 1 ja 2, rupees 2 plus 2. Premium is added in this value. So we can solve it. $50,000 shares. Share capital account. The amount of share capital $50,000, number of issued share multiple the face value of share is equal to 5 lakh, and number of share 50,000, premium amount is rupees 2 multiplied by 2, 50,000 is 1 lakh. It is security premium. According third situations, if 50% payment made by check, 50% payment made by check, and remaining amount paid by share issued of rupees 10 is, in these situations rupees 6 lakh is paid half, yani 50% by check and 50% remaining amount paid by shares. So we will pass the entries. Machinery account DR to Kamal Limited 6 lakh. First entries is same in all these situations. First situations, machinery account DR to Kamal Limited 6 lakh. Second situation, machinery account DR to Kamal Limited 6 lakh. Third situation, machinery account DR to Kamal Limited 6 lakh. But second situations are changed. In this situation, 50% payment made by check, Kamal Limited account DR 6 lakh. 50% of 6 lakh is 3 lakh. It is paid by check. So we credited to bank account, and remaining amount is paid by shares. So to share capital 3 lakh. In these situations, here is payment paid by at par, and if shares paid at 20% premium, then the amount is, so we calculated the share number of shares 3 lakh divided by 12 is equal to 25,000 shares. Number of shares. The share capital is 20,000, 25,000 multiplied by 10 is equal to 2,50,000, and the security premium 25,000 multiplied by 2 is equal to 50,000. Understand? This data is valid if 50% payment made by check and remaining amount paid by issue of rupees 10 at 20% premium. The situation is Kamal Limited account DR to bank to share capital and to security premium. Amount is 2,50,000 and security premium is 50,000. And the fourth situation is if company paid their promoters, company paid shares to their promoters for their services, the entry will be passed goodwill account DR to share capital. If company paid shares to their underwriting commissions, then the entry will be passed underwriting commission account DR to underwriters. Underwriting commission is a expenses of the company, so we debit the underwriter commissions to underwriters account. Underwriter is creditor and underwriters to paid shares, then the underwriters is debited in second entry. Underwriters account DR to share capital. Understand? Okay, thanks.